I started using Photoshop at the start of this year, and for some reason, everything, not quite everything, but most of it seemed strange to me. Although I got a course, I did YouTube, I still felt some things were strange. One of the things that were new to me was installing fonts on PC. For Pixel it's just kind of easy. You just install the whole font within the app. But for Photoshop, it took me a while to figure out. I even had to ask on my Instagram story, and I got answers from there. So I decided I will share the whole tutorial and the whole process of how to do that in today's video. So stay tuned in order not to miss anything and learn to think like a creative. The fonts I'm going to be using today are already extracted, so I'm just going to open the folder, select all, right click and select install for all users. Wait for a few seconds and it will be done. Then I'll return to the second folder and repeat the same process. Once it is done, open Photoshop or whatever tool you use, highlight a text and select the font you just extracted. Search for it in the search bar, you're going to find it there. That's it.
So that's how it is done. If you like that video, don't forget to follow for more.